Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Sisters in IT World. And I am Rinki, tuning in all the way from Dubai. We are sisters, miles apart, but connected by our love for technology.
Hello everyone, I am Nisha. I am really very excited because I have been talking about this podcast from very long time with my sister. So I am joining in from Bangalore.
Trust us, in this podcast, we are going to share our journey as women in IT and the challenges, the fun, and everything in between. Right? So, welcome. So, we have been talking about doing this podcast for months, and every time we call each other, our conversations naturally go into tech, career advices, or just sharing what happened at work, you know?
And we realized why not bring those conversations to the world? There are so many students, beginners, and professionals who could benefit from our experience. So, a quick introduction about me. I work as a QA developer here in Bangalore. Over the years, I have learned to love automation testing, coding, and also content creation. That's how Techie Nisha started.
And I'm a developer based in Dubai. My path into IT was quite different from Nisha, but the core is same. We both share a passion for solving problems with technology, right?
And of course, being sisters, we have pushed each other, sometime with encouragement, sometime with a little love.
But that's what makes this fun.
The idea behind this podcast is simple. We want to share real stories from the IT world, not just textbook knowledge.
Exactly. We want to inspire beginners, help professionals to grow, and most importantly, represent women in tech across different countries.
And yes, expect lots of honest conversation and a little sister touch.
Okay, so just let's talk about challenges. When I started in Dubai, one of my biggest challenge was adapting to a multicultural workplace where everyone came from different backgrounds and I had to learn how to communicate better and build confidence. Yeah.
For me, it was breaking into QA. At first, I thought I wasn't ready and I lacked confidence in coding. But once I started learning step by step, I realized you don't need to be perfect to start, you just need to start.
Yeah. And that's such an important lesson. We all make mistakes, but they are part of the growth at the end, right?
Now, let's do something fun comparing IT life in Bangalore versus Dubai.
Yeah, Bangalore is known as India's Silicon Valley, right? So, Nisha, you are surrounded by startups, big tech, and that constant hustle.
Yes, it's super fast paced. Every other person you meet is in tech. It's exciting but also competitive.
Yes, in Dubai, it's little different. It's growing as a tech hub and with lot of innovation and global companies. So the culture is very diverse here, which makes it interesting.
So basically, while I'm fighting Bangalore traffic, you are enjoying Dubai skyscrapers?
Yes, pretty much.
Before we wrap up, it's time for our first sister hack, our signature quick tip for IT careers.
So here it is. Don't wait for the perfect skill set. Just start and apply for the opportunities. Keep learning and improve as you go.
Yes, progress is always better than perfection.
So, well, thank you so much for joining us on our very first episode of Sisters in IT World. We are so excited to have you here and stay tuned for our next episodes. Breaking into IT, our first jobs and lessons learned. Yay!
Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and follow us for more. Two sisters, two cities, one passion, technology. By the way, throughout this season, our episodes will be audio only, so you can focus on the stories and conversation.
But here's something exciting. In our final episode, we will be turning on the cameras for the very first time. Yes, so you will finally get to see the sisters behind the voices. See you! See you in the next episode. Bye bye.